There's big news ahead of a big fundraiser for breast cancer research in Greater Hamilton today. That's the Bright Run. It goes tomorrow virtually. And with the details of the big news, we're joined by Jonathan Sussman and Ashirbani Saha from McMaster University. Thank you both for joining us, because you're here today because all the money from past Bright Runs has now been given or endowed to McMaster University for very, very important research, something called the Bright Run Breast Cancer Learning Health System Chair. That's quite the mouthful, Ashirbani, to put on your business card now. So tell us what you'll be doing. This is a chair, so it's a permanent investment, I guess, in research, and you're the first research chair for this. And you're an engineer by trade, which is very interesting how you're going to use that technology for medical research.
Right. So as an engineer, I will be mainly focusing on the application of advanced analytical techniques, which includes AI, to various problems in the area of breast cancer.
Okay.
Now, examples of such systems include helping a clinician to interpret screening mammograms, or to monitor response to a treatment by gathering information from necessary sources, or by deriving better ways to understand which patients are at a high risk of having a relapse.
Right, so it really helps in the early treatment and early diagnosis, right? And this is all data that has been gathered from women with breast cancer in the Hamilton area.
That's right, and because this research will rely on the high-quality healthcare data of breast cancer patients at the Hamilton Health Sciences, and the knowledge and platform to design the models,
right,
and collaborate and support.
And Jonathan, this must be a huge addition to the research that, I mean, McMaster is already a leading world researcher on breast cancer, and this has got to be a remarkable addition.
This is indeed. This opens an entirely new world of research for us. These advanced analytical techniques are emerging more and more in our everyday life, as you know. And certainly within healthcare, with large amounts of data, as well as advanced technologies, the ability to support clinicians in being able to make treatment decisions more effectively and more efficiently really holds a lot of promise. And this is precisely what we want to test. The Department of Oncology at McMaster is a large academic department. We have a long track record of innovative and practice-changing research in breast cancer specifically, and this will build on that work.
Right, and how unusual is it to have an engineer as a researcher in working with McMaster in this department?
It's very unusual. This is incredibly unique, and we were very fortunate to be able to attract Dr. Saha, who has deep understanding of the engineering and the engineering science, but also has been able to apply her work already in the healthcare field. This is very unique and positions us very well internationally in terms of being able to conduct this type of research.
Right, and it's got to be good knowledge to know as well for women in the Hamilton area who do have breast cancer or are dealing with it, or family members. And again, so this is $4 million altogether being endowed or invested, half from the Bright Run and half from McMaster University. So very, very promising future here. Congratulations to you, Ashirbani, and thank you for joining us, Jonathan.
Thanks very much for having us.